Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Right now, I'm looking at Solana USDT. Request from a previous member. Just want to point out that we are actually on an uptrend on Solana, above support. We're closing dailies above $23.50, which is good for continuation next week. What I'm looking for is sideways action, even if we get a pullback into say $22 to $20. I'd be looking for that as a long scalp. As long as we're not closing 4-hour or daily candles under $17, I'm not looking for lower. And if the $17 level hits, I'd stop out of my long and I'll be patient for this $12 long again. But as of right now, I am not looking for this deep of a retracement. I know we're coming off overbought, but we have drives of bull divs. And since this oscillator reset while we were going up, this is kind of a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, when the oscillators reset while we're still going sideways to the upside. So I'm looking for this to go sideways here at around $24 to $23 and then get picked up. And then I'm looking for a decisive break of $26, $27. But technically, I'm looking for the target of 29, 30. 31, 32, and then at most $38. And that's when I'm going to look for my resistance between $31 to $38 for my short ladder. But yes, I do think we're coming into these levels next week, guys. So be very, very careful. If you look at it on a weekly time frame, you look at it on a weekly time frame, you can see that we are right at resistance at the 21 EMA, but we're not completely out of gas. We have a little bit room to the upside. So this last gas pop can happen next week. I do see the doji-like structure, and I do notice that we are taking a little too much time here. But until the level has a 4-hour open and close under 2350, I will be looking for sideways and up into these extensions into the 55 EMA on a longer term frame, on a longer time frame. And that is Solana for you guys. Okay. Next coin I'm looking at is SOFI USDT for a member. That's Solana. Okay, so SOFI is only on MEX. Okay, we'll go with UB. SOFI, okay, it's coming off some pretty big bull divs, and this is one of those coins that is kind of looking for a breakout to the upside. Let me just see. Don't want to take too big of a pull. This is a reasonable target to have. So for those of you who are interested in SOFI, as long as we have a close above this 0.11 cents, we can look for continuation into next week. If we close this week under 0.112, you're going to look for the long scalp off of 0.095 next week. Let me go to daily. I would be looking for that long scalp over 0.95, 0.96. If you have a 4-hour open and close underneath that level, then I would just be a little bit more cautious as to where you want to take this trade. I will do one last. I think this is a very interesting area to watch it if it comes down until you break the midline of this panel. I would be considering this my bullish order block. And I'll be looking to scalp along in this area, okay? And then the stop loss is over here. If you can scalp this long, I would be following this path like this. And then eventually you will get accumulated here. And zigzag up, just like that. There you go. So that's what we're waiting for next week for SOFI. All right, your entry, if you get that entry at 0.96 or 0.9 whatever, make sure you take profit over here at 0.1 well, 10 cents and then 11 cents. And then hold some, take some more at 12.85, and then definitely at 15.16. But ideally, it wants to come test into that area due to, ooh, what's, there you go. Due to it probably coming to test into that resistance zone of this EMA. So kind of like that, comes into here, fights, comes back. If we get into here and we have open and closes, you will use it as support, consolidate, and then break up even higher. So keep that in mind for SOFI. And now the next coin I wanted to go over was LTC, and this will be the last altcoin we go over today. LTC is having a halving event. Um, we already had some stuff on here, so I just want to brush up on this and use this, but I would use it here. I don't know why I did it over there. Maybe someone needed some local TA. Why are you not letting me move that? Okay, whatever. I would want that for me looking next. Then from here, probably like here. Yeah, this is going to be a big range because we're doing it on a weekly. And I can cut it down if you want, like that for now. So this is what I would be looking for on a weekly time frame on LTC. LTC is already brushing up into the value area low of the breakdown. I'm looking for it to come test into that POC at 106, and it's probably coming very, very soon because you are nearing bullish control zone. This is on breakout. You just crossed on a weekly. You're basically in breakout mode. The next thing is for price action to stay here and go up. The 9 EMA will cross the 55, giving you the next push up to the 100 EMA. Once you claim the POC over here at 105 with open and close on a daily, the next target will naturally be 115, 130, and 150. You have all these levels of resistance right here is where I'm looking for the short. But anyone who's accumulating over here, just know that now your support is $74. If you get a retrace back to $74, you don't shit your pants. You add into that or be patient for that long scale for you to go to the top side. And anyone who's long, you have every time you break one of these levels, you got to move your stop loss to one of these lower levels. So if we do come sweep for liquidity, you are already in profit and stop out in profit. And you can just re-enter the trade when you have another opportunity to on support. I would be looking for 74 as a long area. I would be looking at $58 as another long area. I'm definitely looking at this as resistance over here. So on a weekly time frame, if this week closes this way, which it does look so, next week I'm looking for continuation into 105 without a doubt. Without a real like concern. 105 is right there. Next is going to be 130, and this is doing its halving stuff. So right now, look, you're out of the bullish control zone. You tested into the 21 twice. Now you're getting that push off. You just took the liquidity to the top side. Until you're in overbought conditions, I mean, until 105 comes, I don't think you're overbought. And even if you get to 105 and you're overbought and this thing open and closes in the bullish control zone, the next candle is going to be going towards that 115, 130. So just be ready for this. This is like in motion to the upside, and it's waiting to get overbought so it can sweep down for liquidity. Here's a 4-hour time frame. If you miss this rally, you can get in at $87 or 83. So this right here would be your long scalp area for this coin if you want to take this coin on this time frame right here. This would be a great area to take along. Right? We can make that green. Your stop loss would be right under there because there's no reason for you to just ride this all the way down. You can re-enter here. Okay, that could be the next long. You can have a stop loss. Then you have another one. Do you see? These three entries are considered your three ladders. Okay. Under this, it's like why are you continually, after three stop losses, I stopped messing with the same asset for like a 4 hour or like daily. The reason why you got these ladders is all the way to the GP, baby. This shouldn't even come to the GP. And the market maker, if he's bullish, he doesn't want to close under the 200. But why I'm giving you these levels is because, shenanigans. People love to fuck around with, over leverage and FOMO mentality, so they can shake you out quickly and come right back, not even have a candle close in this area. And all they did was sweep your liquidity and go right back up. So just be ready for something like that. I kind of want to put up a local fib in this range because I gave you a large fib. I would be looking for something like this locally. Around 105, 107, which we already gave, so we don't even need it. So yeah, this is basically what I'm looking for on LTC to the top side. I'm looking for the support. Why would I take a short until the fib? Where is it? 105. This is where I would look for my shorts here, definitely for a quick scalp on first tap, and then for sure gonna get a large one there. Hold on, let me color these properly so you guys aren't like, what the heck am I doing? And then this one is going to be the swing failure pattern, hopefully large one if we even get there. So that's kind of how I would be approaching this trade on Litecoin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this altcoin review. If you would, please leave us like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. I will get you guys another video as soon as I have another minute to make him. If you are interested in trading with us live, please join us on our Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below. Just hit more info and you'll find all the services that I work with and recommend if you are interested. And yeah, last but not least, please, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If you could, spread the word so other people can join our family. And yeah, other than that, just have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. Today's Sunday. CME is about to open in a few hours. Like 10 hours. So get ready. And I will try to get onto a live today too so we can have some fun. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bitcoin ETH video coming shortly. I just wanted to do this one first for y'all.